Hello everyone, hope you feel great. Welcome back to my YouTube video. I'm Regina Nusetiani. You can call me Regina. As you can see, I'm not alone because in this video I will discuss about learning English and how English growing up in Indonesia with my friend Yola Naila. Okay, hello Yola, how are you?
Hello, I'm good. Thank you for invite me to your video,
My
Regina. Thank
pleasure.
you.
Okay. Anyway, it's nice to discuss about this thing with you. So I
Yep.
have five questions about about it. Can we begin?
Oh, of
Okay.
course. Go on.
My first question is, how did you learn English and when did you begin your learning journey?
Actually, I'm always love English songs. In the middle song, I always read the lyric of the song that I like it, and I sing while reading this lyric. That's how I think I learned that English skill. And until I graduate, oh, I mean like college terms, I decided to teach in a school with bilingual to know how my English skill like that.
Oh, that's amazing. Okay, my second
Thank
question,
you.
in your opinion, how important is it to learn English in today's world? And what basic things must be learned first in learning English?
I think it's very important because every field have to skill to be able to speak English. And then I think you can try with using everyday and I mean using everyday language, and you can using everyday language uh, who's relate with your job. Like me as a teacher, I try to using my everyday language who's relate to teach, like how keep the children lesson, and then how to treat the child nicely, like that.
Okay, I agree with that. In my opinion, English is important because it can
Yep.
advance your professional and career life.
Yeah, that's
It's
right.
maybe it's not here to hear that, but in some professional works in several industry, English skill
Yep.
is very important, right?
Yeah. Actually, for
Okay,
this year.
yeah. Okay, next question. Is there
Okay.
anything in learning English that proves difficult for you? If so, what aspect makes it challenging for you to learning about it?
Uh, of course, they have so many challenging with me while we study or start to learning English. It's like speaking, reading, and the environment not speak in English also, like just me in English, like my family not say in English, right? That's have a challenging with me while studying English. And then, of course, until now, we I not really influent and properly in English, but I always try to be speaker properly, and I think we have to uh, feel like confident to start speaking in English, even it just 2 words or 3 words. I think we have to try to say it, and then we have to uh, confident with that. Yeah,
Wow, that's amazing. Okay,
thank you.
my next question is, nowadays many individuals feels less confident speaking English due to frequent correction. or blame for grammar mistakes. What do you think about it?
I think it's okay if you feel like that because uh like us as Indonesian people, it's very difficult to speak and become a speaker fluent in English. So I think we have to try and we have to practice, just not like just write or just watching. We have to try to speak uh, with with our friend or our family, or we have to at least supportive environment. I think that's is
Oh, okay.
important.
Yeah. Of course, I think so many elements on how English has changed our life, right? Uh, in English
Yeah,
made
of
us improve,
course.
but to simplify, I'm going to talk about this. English changed our life
Yeah, that's right.
because English enables knowledge transfer, yeah? Uh,
Yep.
ter, what do I mean to? There are a lot mediums out there that bring contents, idea, informations, knowledge,
Yeah,
all of
there's
that
so many.
use usually in English because English is a language globally
Yeah.
as well that is used widely by so many people in many contexts, right?
Yep. I agree with that.
Okay, my last question. Are
Oh.
there any tips
It,
to boost confidence when speaking in public using English from you?
I think uh we don't have to afraid to be make mistakes while we try to speaking in English, because uh if you want to, yeah, I'll already say it, if you want to able speak English, or even like properly on native speaker, we have to try to just practice speaking in English. So we have to have so many brave to speaking, and then we don't have to afraid if we made a mistake, and then we learning. I think try to speaking English like learning by doing. We can learning so many things
Yeah,
while we do that, right? Like we
uh,
speaking like this, maybe our grammar is not really good, but we can
yeah, of course.
remind each other. Yeah, we can remind each other if
Yeah,
not
I get
really
it.
properly, and then we can try just just like this. I think it's one of try to make the my our English skill properly and or better.
Yeah,
That's for me.
yeah, that's amazing. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
This is actually the most fun and the most meaningful for me because English, I'm able to build bridge to another cultures. We can connect to people that many have
Yep.
background, yeah, upbringing or
Yeah.
contexts that
We
are
can
totally
talk with
different. Yeah, yeah, with
another
us.
person.
Hmm. So, imagine guys being able to connect with more people than just people in your country, right? That's really
Yep.
powerful because that's also what helps us to be more open-minded.
Yeah.
Because we are not only living in that bubble, right?
Yep.
Like it or not, we are also encouraged to understand other people' perspective as well. Then we are talking to them.
Yep.
Okay, thank you so much for your time to talk about this thing with me.
Oh,
It means a lot for
thank you so
me.
much for invite me.
And anyway, good luck everyone who learning English, and remember that English can be really powerful for us. Okay, see
Keep
you.
fighting. See
Bye
you. Thank
bye.
you. Bye.
Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching my video about learning English and how English growing up in Indonesia. Now I will present about my interview results. Okay, first of all, I think so many elements on how we learn about English has changed our lives, made us improve. But to simplify is English change our life because English enables knowledge transfer. A lot mediums of there that bring contents, idea, information, knowledge. All of that usually is in English because English is a language globally as well that is used widely by so many people in many contexts. I think that's why learning English is important in this era. Next, my interview results. A lot of mediums to learning English. For example, is we can learn about English with lyrics of the songs. Then we can sing a song while reading these lyrics. Learning English is important because so many have to able to speak English. And we can try to using English every day to improve my English skill. Of course, many challenges to learning English, especially if we are not in circle who using English every day. Nowadays, many individuals feel less confident speaking English due to frequent correction or blame for grammar mistakes in Indonesia. But it's okay if we feel like that, but we have to try about it. Any tips to confident using English is we don't to avoid to be make mistakes while we're learning English because if we want to improve our English skill, we have to learning about it. Next, my opinion. We cannot also deny that English is important because it can advance your professional and career lives. It's annoying to hear this, but in some professional work in several industries, English skill is still important. That's why learning English so important in this era. And the most fun and the most meaningful for me because English, I'm to build bridge to another cultures. We can connect to people that many have background, upbringing, or contexts that are totally different with me. And by learning English, it's really powerful because that also what helps me to open mind that I'm also encouraged to understand other people perspective as well when I'm talking to them. Point of the topics is learning English is important because in English we can connect to people that many have different background. We can advance our professional and career lives. And in the end, there's is so many information that are brought by that language. So remember that English can be powerful tool of our life. Imagine guys, we can connect to other people with this language. It's so amazing.